In the visual tab, next is a border. You can add a border to your image, to your video if you want. Okay, going to media and insert some video here. And you can go to the visual and drag and drop border on it. For better seeing that, open that and click on it. As I said before, you can give a border to a specific part of your video or your image visual effect. So I give it to the all. Then going to settings, it's very simple. You can add thickness to border. You cannot see that because your video is full in your screen. You can make it smaller to something like that, and you can see the border. You can change the color of the border. You can change the thickness of that. Use alpha for rounding your edges, and also if you have a shaped form image or video, you can use alpha to follow its edge. Okay, if you want, you can use it. So that's very easy. You can, for example, you can add border to this specific part of your video. You can see, not all of your video. That's it, very easy.